Myra Dental Clinic in Antalya. Very, very happy with the results. I used to spend thousands and thousands of pounds back in London on dental treatment. So I found these guys on Google, and they've got good reviews. You can check them out for yourselves. Made an appointment. Very lovely people. Picked up from the airport, taken to my hotel. Great service, A-star service. So I've had a crown and an inlay and a couple of fillings, all done in about 3-4 days. The crown was put in instantly within 1 day, the inlay within 1 day, everything taken at your own pace and how you want to come across, and you can make your own decisions and you're not forced into doing anything. So come here, get a consultation and see how it works out, but highly recommended.